All right, when you go to beachbodyoondemand.com, this is the sign-in page you'll see. So you're going to click log in, and then you'll log in with your username and password that you set up when you checked out your cart. Once it loads, this is going to be your welcome page. You're going to see featured programs, what's new, and then other things that people have shared. At the top is your tracking. So this will show what you have tracked or what has caught up as far as your workouts and the time spans they are in your tracking feature. If you go to programs at the top, this is where you will find all your recently used workouts. Intro to Nutrition will explain a little bit between 2B and Ultimate Portion Fix. So when we go down here, the Nutrition Center, you'll see that all these should be unlocked with the new feature of the MBF Challenge Pack. You get all of these. So for Portion Fix, once it opens, to find a lot of the material for Portion Fix, if you go under Program Material, 7-day eating plans here, and other different meal plans. But in order to figure out your specific bracket you would need for your plan, you're going to come down here and pick your path. So this is your eating plans, but in order to calculate them, I believe it's under order to calculate them, you go under Module 3, Containers 101, and that is how you get your calorie bracket calculator. So you're going to do the mathematical equation to figure out which bracket you're going to be in, whether it's plan A, B, or C. So then if we go back to programs, you also have your 2B mindset and how to follow that. So that is just how you eat food, plated, and when you eat them. For these things, if you have the monthly mindset membership, those will be unlocked under here as well. That is extra videos, features, blogging material that you can have, and also access to Alana and Autumn, both as far as any sort of nutrition questions and things go with the programs. For Fix 8 is like a cooking show. It's going to be right here. If you click on that, this gives you a ton of healthy recipes you can use that go both into Portion Fix and 2B. You can tailor any of these to 2B. So when you go under resources, you'll see newly recipes. And then if you go to program materials, this is where you'll find like a whole cookbook. So the recipe list opens up a PDF document, and you can literally click on the recipe name that sounds interesting to you, and it will take you straight to that page. Now for BOD groups. When you click on the BOD group, if your coach has a BOD group up and running, you will see them here. You can request to be in the group, or you may already be added. So when you have access to the group, you will see all the information of their post, what others have been posting, workouts that have been logged. You may like them or comment. This is where you can see files that they've uploaded, maybe of recipes and different things like that. The final feature is the Beachbody blog. This features all different things from new materials to recipes that Beachbody has coming out. So that is a little bit of how Beachbody On Demand works and all the features that are involved with Beachbody On Demand.